Alright, so as I walk around this corner, I'm going to be able to see what the conditions of the lake are. Okay, I've got a little bit of mist on the lake, so yeah, it's just amazing. Look, though, it's literally why I love getting up early to see things like this. And as the sun sort of begins to rise over the horizon, we're getting all the really nice early morning light dappling over the water surface. All the coots and that swimming around. So yeah, let's see what we can find. Alright, so the main reason I wanted to do this video today was just to talk a little bit about my plans for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I've got a sort of a little bit of a plan of what I want to actually do for my 1,000th subscriber video. Before getting to that, I'm going to make my way over to this island. Just here. I mean, look at that, it's amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna head on over to the other side of the lake. There's a way over there. So get over there, then we'll get ourselves a cup of tea and just have a little chat. Let's go. So, the way to get close to waterfowl on the lake. There's actually a great crested grebe just out there now. When it goes underwater, I can see it through the trees from where I am. When it dips down, because it's fishing currently, I'm going to make the move to the shore. And I'm going to lay down flat. Now, when I do that, I'm going to do it slowly but surely, because the other birds will alert the grebe to my presence. Inevitably, the birds will move away. But once you settle down and are there for a while, they forget you're there. So I'm just going to show you. Just going to do it. Let's go. So it's just through this tree here currently, the grebe. Hopefully you can hear me. But as it's preening at the moment, I'm going to start slowly but surely walking forward. And when I get to here, I'm going to lean down. Okay, so you can already see a couple of the coots have spotted me and they are retreating. That's fine, because the grebe has no idea. At this point, I'm going to be laying down. Just keep an eye on what the grebe's doing. It's preening at the minute. Slowly, surely crawl forward as quietly as I can. Take cover behind a little plant. This one. So, I managed to do all of that without the grebe even realising. Now we're at the point where I'm in a decent spot for a nice image. But the grebe isn't in the best spot. It's on the other side of the lake, quite close to the background. So now it's a matter of staying quiet, staying still as possible, and waiting for the grebe to move closer to me. So now I really want to get this backpack off my back, because it's given me a pretty bad back, so I mean that was terrible. Also, you have to kind of not care about what you're laying in. Just look here. I don't know if you can see that. Directly in front of me is a load of bird poo. So yeah, I'm probably no one. Got to just not worry about these things. It's all about getting down low and getting that shot. There's that grebe. There's that grebe. Ooh, I think this is a young grebe actually. A juvenile. That was much closer than the previous one. The previous one I was photographing was definitely an adult, and this one had much less colour. So, but yeah, I'll show you the pictures anyway. See what you think. But yeah, I think it's a juvenile. That's really cool, that is. It's coming back. It's coming back. This is awesome. They don't have a clue I'm here either. Alright, let's try and get a few more photos of these. Pop up right in front of me just as I was about to talk to you. This has just been insane. It's been such a good morning. I've got a family of grebes. I've got the mum, the dad, and a young juvenile. And not only that, when I looked up, I saw a kingfisher fly right across in front of me and land on the other side of the lake over there somewhere, and that is awesome because I have never seen a kingfisher around here before. So yeah, that's something else for me to try and photograph around here, which is really cool. Anyway, I've been wasting enough of your time. I've been having a bit too much fun here. I think it is now time to actually go and get my cup of tea. It's really hot. Yeah. That's a good cup of tea. So, I just wanted to talk a little bit about my plans for when I hit, if I hit 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, firstly, I just want to say thank you to, again, everyone who supports my channel by watching, subscribing, and then to those of you who also comment and like on my videos. Yeah, it's been really awesome to see that even though I haven't been releasing videos as often as I was previously, I've still been getting subscribers and things, and people still engaging with my videos. So yeah, thank you very much for continuing to support my channel. It really does mean a lot. So this month, or in September, is my birthday, and for my birthday I'm booking out a hide, and so this video I'm thinking I'm gonna basically do on my birthday, and I'm gonna do it for my 1,000 subscriber sort of special video. So I just think it's a nice thing to do, especially on my birthday. So the hide that I'm booking is going to be a kingfisher hide. So fingers crossed I'm going to be able to get some really cool shots of a kingfisher. That's also why it was kind of funny that I saw a kingfisher today flying across. I have previously got a photograph of a kingfisher, just, you know, out and about, and it was pretty decent. Yeah, you can see it on my Instagram story, I think. But yeah, it's the kingfishers are incredible birds, and to be able to get super close to get awesome shots, and also the opportunity to possibly get some underwater shots of them as well. Yeah, and practice my moving subject photography. So for that I'll be using the trusty 7D Mark II with the 100-400 as always, and maybe at some point I'll even get a mic for this camera. So I'm sorry if the audio right now is terrible. I've never used this camera before for this kind of thing. I'm sorry. There's a great question, agree. So yeah, I'm actually just like looking around for wildlife. I'm always looking around for wildlife. So yeah. So that's my plan. What I'll do is I'll make the video, film it, and then when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll release it. So yeah, and if I don't, if it comes to a point where I just don't get any more subscribers, I'll just release the video. I'm not gonna hold off that long, but yeah, so that's my plan. I want to say thanks, and that's really all I wanted to do for this video. I actually didn't really want to make it into a wildlife photography vlog, but it sort of turned into it because I just got some epic shots of a great crested grebe, sort of juvenile, or I believe it is anyway. There was also a duck over that I just took over there, that I have no idea what it is. I'll put the picture up now, and if anyone knows what type of duck this is, could you please let me know? Just comment down below. Yeah, I'm not really good with my waterfowl species, so it's something I'm trying to get better at. Aside from that, I'm gonna pour myself another cup of tea, sit here for a bit longer, and see what happens. But in terms of the video, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this audio and video is good enough. And I'll see you in the next video.